Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will walk you through on how to post longer reels on Instagram. Instagram automatically trim videos longer than 90 seconds, so posting longer videos will have to use a different upload method. Click on the plus icon at the bottom screen. Select post at the bottom. Instagram's new update allows video post to be viewed as post and reels. Select the long video you want to post as a reel. You can edit video. Click on Done to share. You can then change the cover either by selecting a part from the video or by uploading from gallery. Click on Share to post your video as reel. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.